Most people don't fail to make money because they lack ideas. They fail because they try to jump from $0 to $10,000 and skip the $1,000 phase. That's where skills are built, habits are tested, and most people quit. Today, I'll walk you through a realistic $0 to $1,000 system in 90 days, step by step. No hype, no fake stories, just execution. This is not passive income. It's not post once and get paid forever. And it's not for people who want results without doing the work. It works if you have time but little money, if you're willing to do simple, repeatable tasks, and if you care more about progress than ego. It does not work if you chase shortcuts, need instant results, or quit after 2 bad weeks. The biggest beginner mistake? Trying to build a brand before learning how to sell a basic service. We're fixing that. Here's the framework. Skill, service, proof, scale. Not ideas, not motivation, execution. Step 1. Choose a sellable micro skill. Something useful that solves a real business problem, that can be learned fast, and that people are already paying for. Examples: short-form video editing, Canva designs, basic website setup, lead research, AI-assisted writing. Pick one, spend 7 days on it, 1 to 2 hours per day, and learn only what you need to deliver results. Cost $0 to $50. Time frame, about a week. Step 2, turn that skill into a simple service. One service, one outcome, one audience. Bad offer: I help businesses grow online. Good offer: I create 3 short-form videos per day for real estate agents. Price low at first, $5 to $10 per task or a $200 monthly package. Use Fiverr, Upwork, or direct outreach. No website needed, just clarity. This takes 3 to 5 days. Step 3, get your first clients. Most people fail here, not because it's hard, but because it's uncomfortable. Daily, send 20 to 30 messages. Keep it short and human. Example: I noticed you post short videos, but they're inconsistent. I help creators batch edit 30 shorts per week. Want a sample? 100 messages usually gets 5 to 10 replies. 5 replies get 1 client. Stay consistent. Your first $100 to $300 usually comes within 30 to 45 days. Step 4, reinforce what works. Stop experimenting. Double down on one platform, improve delivery speed, raise prices slightly. 3 clients at $200 per month is $600. Add 2 more and you're past $1,000. No complexity, just reliability. Now the strategy. Optimize instead of doing more work. Use templates, batch tasks. Let AI handle drafts, not final output. This protects your time, energy, and consistency. Be aware of risks. Clients can ghost. Burnout is real. Platforms change. Reduce damage by taking 50% up front, writing a clear scope, and diversifying by month 3. What does success look like? After 30 days, usable skill, maybe first client or some rejection. Income $0 to $200. After 90 days, 3 to 6 clients, $500 to $1,200 per month. After 1 year, if consistent, $2K to $5K per month. Not guaranteed, but probable with execution. Common traps: waiting to feel ready, learning without selling, underpricing forever, chasing too many skills, believing income screenshots. Ignore advice like, just build a brand, passive income first, or one viral post will change everything. Action plan: today, pick one micro skill and find 5 paying people. This week, learn the basics, create a clear offer, and start outreach. Over the next 30 days, track messages, improve responses, deliver consistently. Avoid expensive courses, complex funnels, and perfectionism. Turning $0 into $1,000 isn't luck. It's about becoming useful before trying to be impressive. Money follows reliable skills, not motivation. If you want the next step, how to turn this into scalable income, tell me in the comments. See you soon.